Want to chat with Meta AI on Instagram? I'm going to show you how. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you get more social media tips like this. And without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can chat with Meta AI on Instagram. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram app. Click on the message, the plain icon, right, which is the message icon. And then you click on add at the top right, the pen icon. Click on that. And then you can see there's option here to chat with Meta AI. Click on that. If it's not there, you just have to find AI and then you'll be there. So you just click on it. Then you can just put here, just type whatever you want, how to get more followers. Wow, that's quite cool. You can even like give a like or don't like, or just copy it, or you can send the message to other people as well. So it's pretty cool. So if you like don't know how to reply people, you can even ask Meta AI to reply for you. Just put the details there. Then when you go back, it is automatically there already. Meta AI. So that's how you can start a chat with Meta AI. If you want to talk to Meta AI. If you like what I share and you find this helpful, do subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.